Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video about basic knowledge of civil engineering for civil site engineer. So I'm going to discuss about the fourth and maybe last part of points to remember for civil site engineer. So let's start. And if you're new here, you can watch our previous video that already have uploaded, and that basic knowledge is really important for a civil engineer. So let's start. So first of all, following are the few general points to remember for civil site engineers to make the construction work easier while maintaining quality of construction. So adding more water in concrete mix to increase setting time lead to from the crack and honeycomb in hardened concrete. Adding more water in the concrete mix is not good for setting time and also not good for hardening of that concrete. Vibration is freshly made concrete is made to remove the air bubbles in concrete mix. Uh, um, uh, if you notice that when the concrete are placing in a beam or in a column or in a slab, then some vibrating machine are used to vibrate that for the nice placement and to reduce the air content on that place. Then impermeability of concrete. The concrete which resists the entry of water or moisture into it. I mean the impermeability of concrete means that types of concrete will not provide any opportunity to entry the water or moisture on it. I mean in that types of concrete the reinforcement are safe and its durability are very much. Then the concrete can be lifted to a minimum height of 50 meter using concrete pumps. I mean they have meshing, concrete pump meshing. By using that meshing, a construction engineer or a construction company can pump that a height of up to 50 meter. The curing period of RCC is 28 days. For the to gain the maximum strength, we have to cure we have to curing the RCC in 28 days. The minimum is sea level height shouldn't be 44 inch. The minimum sea level height shouldn't be should be 44 inch. Okay, the minimum sea level height should be minimum at least 44 inch. The transverse reinforcement provided in columns are called ties. Okay, the transverse reinforcement in column are called as ties, and the transverse reinforcement provided in beams are called as strap. Strap in the beams and ties are in the column. Ties in the columns are provided to handle the shear force and to keep longitudinal bar in position. To handle the shear force and to keep the longitudinal bar in the position. So after that, the prime reason for using steel as reinforcement is due to the thermal expansion. The prime reason for using steel as reinforcement is due to the thermal expansion. The thermal expansion coefficient of concrete and steel is approximately same, having value of 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree. I mean if someone question you why we use reinforcement in concrete, so this is its answer. Due to thermal expansion, we provide the steel or provide the reinforcement in concrete, because the reinforcement the thermal expansion of concrete and steel is approximately same, and its expansion is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. M20 grade of concrete is generally used in the construction of slab. For construction of slab, the M20 grade concrete are generally used. The weight of bar is calculated using the formula d square by 162, where d is the diameter and in millimeter. Okay, the diameter we have to calculate in millimeter. A specific gravity of cement is 3.0 16 gram per centimeter cube, brick is 2 gram per centimeter cube, and sand is 2.65 gram per centimeter cube. The slope or pitch of the stair should be between 25 degree to 40 degree. The slope or pitch of the stair should be in between 25 degree to 40 degree. The rise in stair is between 150 millimeter to 200 millimeter, and the tread in the staircase is between 250 millimeter to 300 millimeter. Unit weight of PCC, plain cement concrete, is 24 kilonewton per meter cube, and for RCC is 25 kilonewton per meter cube, and in steel, it's 7850 kg per meter cube. The volume of 50 kg cement is 1.3 CFT or 1.25 CFT. In some country it's uses 1.3 CFT, as Indian code or as India is used 1.3 CFT, and for some countries is used 1.25 CFT. According to Asia, it's also used 1.25 CFT. TMT bar. What is the meaning of TMT? The TMT means thermomechanically treated bars. This is the suitable bar for earthquake resisting structure. Cement more than 3-month-olds cannot be used for construction. The length of each bar from factory is 12 meter. From factory we get the bar is 12 meter. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to our channel, like our video and share as much as possible to your engineer friend, and don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to support your channel School of Civil Engineering. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.